Hi friends! In May, we're talking a lot about shapes. So I thought it would be nice to start off by introducing us to some shapes. I'm not going to go through this book and pick every shape. I'm just going to pick out some of my favorite shapes or some of the beginning shapes that I think we need to talk about. And the first one is the circle. So let's make the circle up here. I'm going to write the word circle. Are you ready? C-I-R-C-L-E. Circle. Okay? And I'm going to draw a circle. Are you ready? A circle just goes around and around and around and around, and it never stops anywhere. You can't go sliding off, right? So a circle goes, maybe we should use a marker that works. A circle goes around and around. Circle. It's not perfect, but I did my best. This beach ball is a circle shape. We see through circles too. I like the circle jellyfish that are made of squishy goo. And look, the sun is shaped like a circle here too. So we're going to talk about circles a lot. Another shape that I thought would be nice to talk about is a square. Now, square is spelled pretty silly. You ready for this? S-Q-U-A-R-E. I'm going to fix my A up a little bit there because it was not the most perfect way I could write it. Square. So a square has 4 sides and they're all the same length. So I can't make a square by going really long one way and then just a little bit the other way. I have to make sure that they're all the same. Square. I think I see a square right there. All covered in green slimy vine. Look. It has 4 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4, and they're all the same length. Danger, sharks are just offshore. Read the square wood sign. Can you think of some squares that you can find in your house? All right, the next shape that we're going to talk about is a triangle. Tri means 3, so it has 3 angles. It has 3 sides too. Let's write the word triangle. T-R-I-A-N-G-L-E. Triangle. And so remember I said it has 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. Triangle. A triangle has 3 straight sides and 3 points. 1, 2, 3. My sailboat has a triangle to sail across the sea. Let's count the sides. 1, 2, 3. Ooh. I love my muddy sailboat and more triangles too. My evil castle's topped with them, red and gold and blue. So these are all triangles because they have 1, 2, 3 sides. The last shape I want to talk about is a rectangle. Angle. Uh-oh, my G doesn't look like a G. I need to fix it. And it's okay to make mistakes as long as you go back and fix them. So a rectangle is kind of like a square because they both have 4 sides. But in a rectangle, 2 of the sides will be very long and the other 2 will be shorter. Watch. A rectangle. I spent $1 rectangle. Dollars are rectangles, right? Because these 2 sides are shorter and these 2 sides are longer. I spent $1 rectangle on frozen green bean ice. Oh, he bought a popsicle and the popsicle is also shaped like a rectangle. These 2 sides are short and these 2 sides are long. My towel is a rectangle with holes that feel quite nice. 2 short sides and 2 long sides. We're going to talk all about shapes and how to find shapes in our house. But for now, I want you to keep in mind these 4 main shapes. Circle, goes round and round. A square, 4 sides that are all the same length. A triangle, remember tri means 3. 1, 2, 3. And a rectangle. Rectangles and squares are kind of alike because they both have 4 sides, but a rectangle has 2 short sides and 2 long sides. Thanks for tuning in, and I look forward to learning more about shapes with you.